This week's boiler tip, we're going to talk about a dry boiler layup. A dry boiler layup is the best option if we're going to have our boiler down or out of service for any duration exceeding a month or more. The benefit of a dry layup is that with no water in contact with metal, corrosion is totally limited. The way that we prepare to do a dry layup is do a full open and close like we would for an inspection, because we want to drain the boiler, we want to rinse the float chamber, the bottom, etc. Basically get it ready for inspection. Once we've done that, we'll close it back up without water in there. We're going to know that it's dry that way, and we can add desiccant, or we can add what they call a boiler lizard that will emanate fumes that will basically protect the boiler from corrosion. The great thing about the boiler lizard is that when we refill the boiler, we don't have to remove it. It'll simply dissolve in the incoming boiler water.